she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Pretty, truly the angel's best. Boy, I'm so happy. We have been heaven blessed. I can't believe
So much for coming here in the bottom of my heart. And I love to see you all. We have a very good bonding time today. Thank you so much. We wish you safe, good health, and more prosperity every day. Thank you.
We will help you pray to God. Yan ang aking birthday wish sa'yo.
Kakaiba po kayo yung samahan na nandoon sa barkadang tunay. Sana pangarap namin, wish ko namin na maging healthy lang po kayo with Kuya Reggie.
Happy birthday, Ma. I love you.
Nagpapasalamat kami na inipon mo kami ngayong gabi